in this video of SEO course. Today we are going to learn about the difference between DoFollow link and NoFollow link. As you know, in this course we've practically taught you how to create backlinks and shown you different ways to do it. Like Web 2.0 article submission, blog submission, business listings, Web 2.0 and many other. So we've taught you practically, but when you are creating backlinks on different websites, it's not guaranteed that you'll always get a DoFollow link or that you'll always get a NoFollow link. Okay, and when you're doing SEO for any website, no one has 100% NoFollow links or 100% DoFollow links. It's always a mixture. So the ideal approach is that let's say that you have created 100 backlinks, right? Then around 60 to 80% of those backlinks should be DoFollow links. And nearly about 30% or so should be NoFollow links, and that much is sufficient. So this is genuine and logical. It seems like an ethical way, showing that what we're doing is how things actually are. If it's 100% DoFollow, then there's something fishy. And if it's 100% NoFollow, then also it's not good. So basically, what's the advantage of DoFollow link? And why we should create less NoFollow links? So friends, DoFollow link means that suppose if any website is giving you a backlink from their own website, right? And if they're giving you the DoFollow link, it means they are giving you a backlink, but at the same time, they're also showing trust in your website. So DoFollow tells this. Now in case of NoFollow, it means that any website is giving you a backlink. But because it is a NoFollow backlink, right? So it simply means that they are giving you a backlink, but they don't trust your site. This is the technical term. So that's the difference between DoFollow and NoFollow. But now how do you figure out if the link you got, the backlink, is a DoFollow or a NoFollow link? So for example, as you can see on my screen, this link here, it's a DoFollow link. In a DoFollow link, you basically just get a simple URL, and here, if you click, it'll redirect you to the page or backlink that you've created. But this one that you're looking now, this URL, this is basically a NoFollow URL. Now in this case, even the backlink structure looks similar. If you look closely in middle, then you'll see it's clearly written rel equals to NoFollow. So now here it means if a website gives you any DoFollow link, then you will know that you got DoFollow link. And if they give you a NoFollow, then you will know it is a NoFollow link. And similarly, if you need to provide a backlink to someone, then you have to decide whether you want to give them a NoFollow backlink or a DoFollow backlink. So I really hope that the concept of DoFollow and NoFollow backlinks is perfectly clear to you all. I hope you've learned it well. Thank you.